PC cases have come a long way in the last 5 years. No longer are they bulky, heavy blocks with limited customization options. Now you can find an attractive, user-friendly case at a range of prices. We've picked out 5 best PC cases for different needs to help you build the perfect PC. 1. Coolmaster Cosmos C700P. Much like the original Coolmaster Cosmos, the C700P is a hefty beast with a similarly large price tag. However, we'd argue that it's worth the expense. A beautiful handlebar design, curved glass panel, and sleek color scheme are matched by features that will support even the most high-end components, including eATX motherboards and oversized GPUs. A larger footprint means that you won't be pushed for space either. What's more, understated RGB lighting also means it's not going to distract you while you game. Yes, this is a lot to spend on an enclosure. However, those who are willing to go all out on a build will get a case with every tool they need to create a stunning PC. 2. NZXT H400i. The NZXT H400i is an incredibly well-designed case, aesthetically and functionally. It takes after its bigger brother, the H700i. Despite its smaller form factor, it features clever SSD mounts, a PSU shroud, fan controller, and a tempered glass side panel. The case has great radiator and fan mounting capabilities, which is impressive for a case of this size. You can set up a custom loop or an air cooling solution easily, whichever you prefer. It has room for 2 140mm fans in the front, 2 on the top, and a single 120mm fan can be installed on the back, all of which give ample airflow. If you're interested in building a computer with a lower profile or you don't like big bulky cases, you should consider the NZXT H400i. It has all the features you'd want in a case compacted into a micro ATX design. 3. Thermaltake Versa J24. If you want an easy-to-build case with decent thermals for an affordable price, take a look at the Thermaltake Versa J24. This MidTower has all the essential features like a tempered glass side, PSU shroud, and support for 360mm radiators at the front. It comes with 3 120mm RGB fans to both illuminate and cool your system. And the lighting can be controlled via a button on the I/O port. You can switch between 7 different preset colors and 7 different modes, or use the RGB mode to choose the exact color of your choice. There's also a J25 version with an acrylic front, but we recommend the J24 for better airflow. 4. Fractal Design Meshify C. You really can't beat this MidTower case's price to performance ratio. It's builder-friendly for both beginners and veterans. Even when the fans are running at full blast, the case remains relatively quiet, aside from a small Fractal logo on the front panel. The Meshify C's minimalistic-looking case is free of branding. We recommend this case for the simple reason of brilliant value for the performance. 5. Cooler Master H500P Mesh White. If you're looking for a MidTower with great thermals to keep your components cool and operating at peak performance, try the Cooler Master H500P Mesh White. The original Cooler Master H500P wasn't great in terms of cooling, but by replacing the front panel with a mesh grille, the company has created a case with fantastic airflow. It has 2 large 200mm fans at the front to keep air moving throughout the case, and the fans are RGB, so they can glow in the color of your choice, which looks great alongside the mesh front. There's also a tempered glass side panel, a PSU shroud to hide ugly cable clutter, an option for vertical GPU mounting, and support for 360mm radiators at the top or in the front.